Good morning, good morning. So glad you're here. So honored to be with you today. Happy Tuesday. It's Best Friend Tuesday, and today we're talking coffee. For years, Ben has been fueled by the lovely Happy Cup Roasters out of Portland, Oregon. There's been no intention of switching, love their coffee, but they went through a manufacturing move and all orders are delayed. So the search began, and we started considering who could fuel our coffee craving dreams. We swapped Portland's this time, and we're doing Tandem coffee roasters up in Maine. We've been long time fans of them, particularly since their espresso has been often the brewer's choice at favorite cafes in the Boston area. But something I've always thought was really neat about what Tandem has done is they have this coffee and vinyl subscription called The Good Thing. And kind of each month when they ship it out, they also ship out a 12-inch vinyl record. They've figured out how to make the most perfect piece of mail. So they're combining coffee and music, vinyl in particular. And it's such a neat way to engage your community with something that they love. Unfortunately, we are sans record players, so we didn't do that subscription. But the joy of supporting a brand that found a unique way to delight its customers is enough for me. So are you looking for a new roaster? Give them a try. You won't regret it. Have a nice day, y'all.